Hello everyone, today I record this video because I just released the possibility to generate PDF directly with Softr thanks to our native integration. Previously it was possible to generate PDF based on Softr data, but you needed to use the API, and I know that it can be a bit challenging for some of you. So that's why this feature has been released. So now it's possible to do the mapping directly inside the Typeflow interface. So no need to have some technical skills to achieve that. So for this example, we are going to use one template, a basic template, a sales quote template, where we have different type of variable. That's it. And of course, we have this database that has a different table, so users, product, company, and I connected this database with, of course, an interface from Softr. So as you can see here, I connected a database from Softr, of course, so typeflow.us demo, and I chose the table user. So here, as you can see, we can see some record from the table users. So I already implemented the button generate PDF. As you can see, it's here. But first, what we need to do is to map the data between the template that I shared with you a few minutes ago and the Softr field. So how to do that? You can navigate to your Typeflow account, you create a new flow, you pick personal flow, you choose Google Doc for this use case, and now you can select a database, and we are going to use Softr. I choose the correct database, now I choose the table and an attachment field. So as you can see, it's pretty straightforward. That's it. And now I can map the data. So here on the left, we have all the variable from Google Doc, and here we have all the fields from Softr. So I can map the data, and etc. And here we have line items mapping. So I can choose a linked record. So if we go to our database, you can see that we have linked record here. And now I have access to all the fields from the linked table. Now that we have mapped the data, what we want to do is to import this configuration into Softr. So how to do that? It's really simple. First, I'm going back to Softr. I go to the interface, and now I go to action, and I'm going to select the button generate PDF. I need to run a custom workflow. And as you can see in this part, it's the part where I'm going to decide what type of data, what kind of data I want to send to the workflow. So what you need to do is to make sure that you send all the information required to generate PDF. So to run with Typeflow, you just need to send the record ID. So that's this data. And for that, I needed to create a field named record ID. And Softr has a field type record ID. So I use this field, record ID. I think we can remove that. Now I'm going to create a new workflow. Create workflow. I'm going to name it. And what I need to do is first to receive the data. So for that, I need to run a testing. And to run a testing, I go to the interface. I'm going to click on preview. With this one, generate PDF. Oh, I need to publish the workflow. Let's do it. Generate PDF. Okay. So now I click on test, and as you can see, I received the data. So email, record ID, and name. So it works well. And now I can add a step and call API. So now what I need to do is to copy this URL from Make and Zapier. I go back to Softr, and from there I'm going to replace this part by that, and I choose Run Custom Workflow, and I pick Record ID. Okay, perfect. Now if I continue and run a test, it should work. Okay, so the PDF has been generated. We should have received an URL. Yes, exactly, here. And if I go to the database, where is it? Database. As you can see, we have now a PDF here, and we have all the information from the record selected. So it works well. And now, if you want, you can use this PDF URL to send the PDF to another place. So for example, you could send the PDF through email. So that's it about this demo. I hope it was helpful, and of course, if you need my help to implement the Softr Typeflow integration, feel free to reach out to me.